Too many companies treat IT support like a one-size-fits-all service desk. That's a costly mistake. Here's why. 50% of IT downtime is avoidable. The longer a problem sits with the wrong technician, the more time and money your business loses. As Lambros Bowers, vice president at NetOps Consulting, puts it, there is rarely any need to allocate an expensive expert to a simple troubleshooting issue. IT support tiers help you prevent wasting labor costs on that type of resource allocation. A tiered support model routes problems based on complexity. It starts with Tier 0, tools like chatbots and FAQs, so users can solve simple issues themselves. Tier 1 handles basic troubleshooting like password resets. Tier 2 steps in for deeper technical problems. Tier 3 involves product engineers and experts. Tier 4 brings in external vendors when needed. This structure speeds up resolution, reduces cost, and ensures the right people focus on the right problems. It also makes performance tracking easier. You know exactly where issues slow down and why. Still, some businesses prefer support swarming. That model skips tiers. Everyone jumps in at once to solve the issue fast. Swarming trades structure for speed and flexibility. Whether you want predictability or fast collaboration, your choice depends on how your team works and what your business needs. You can read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist to revisit anytime.